Hey kid, want to?
Jack.
And so, the bartender says to the horse, why the long face? Alright, everybody be quiet, it's time for the elimination. We got votes. Safe with 0 votes. You guys got 2, and you guys are tied with 6 votes. What? However, View from the window, we got his 6 votes first, so he's eliminated. I expected this. Anyways, your next challenge is to jump the highest. Whoever jumps the highest wins. Go.
Sis kill.
Screw gravity.
Frog spawn, you win! That's against Siskill rules though.
Tonight we dance around the flame. Then we get to play the spirit game. Spirit names we shout out loud. Shake the thunder from the spirit cloud.
Hey, was killing me necessary? You were breaking the rules of Siskill, so yes, it was necessary. You're weird. Hey guys, my name is Big Mouth